Hi children, welcome to Maths class. In today's class, we are going to discuss about LCM. So LCM means least common multiple. In last session, we have discussed about what is meant by factor multiple. In today's session, we are going to discuss how to find least common multiple of numbers. First, what is meant by LCM? Least common multiple is the smallest multiple that is exactly divisible by every member of a set of given numbers. In other words, we can say that it is the smallest number that is divisible by two or more given numbers without a remainder. So least common multiple means a smallest multiple of the set of given numbers. So if you are choosing two numbers, you have to find out the common multiple, which must be the least value. For example, LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. So first you have to write the multiples of 3 and 4. You should find out the common multiple of the numbers 3 and 4. So the least common multiple of 3 and 4 is 12. There are some methods of finding LCM. The two methods are LCM by prime factorization and LCM by short division method. In today's class, we can discuss LCM by prime factorization method. For example, find the LCM of 24 and 72. First step, you have to find the prime factors of the numbers. So use the L division method and find out the factors of 24 and then factors of 72. After finding out the prime factors, you have to circle the common factors. So you have to see the common multiples of the two numbers. After circling, you have to write the LCM formula, that is common factors into non-common factors. So the numbers which you have circled must be written once multiplied by non-common factors. So after multiplying, you get the answer as 72. Therefore, LCM of 24 and 72 is 72. Children, today your classwork part will be on your concept book. Do practice on 4 in page number 67. Also, your homework part will be on your workbook. Do question number 4 in page number 52. Complete your homework on time and hand in Google Classroom app grade 5 Maths. Thank you children. Stay home, stay safe.